Yet, in spite of its new large size, it is still relatively small as a percent of GDP when compared to the world's other major central banks. The European Central Bank, in which, when we look at it, we include all the individual central banks in EU countries as part of that. China's PBoC, People's Bank of China, the Bank of England, and the Bank of Japan. The Fed's size is only 20% of GDP as compared to 128% at the Bank of Japan. In fact, it's smaller right now on an actual dollar equivalent basis than Europe's central bank system and the PBoC. By the way, please note how small the vaunted legendary Bank of England is compared to the other major central banks, an illustration of the shrinking importance of the UK in the global economy. The Fed has been able to shrink from 37% of GDP to 20% of GDP over the last few years by selling bonds or allowing them to mature, something called reverse QE or quantitative tightening, QT, and it plans to shrink further, though in our view there's no imperative for the Fed to do this anytime soon, if at all.